We've got a total loss on our canopy. We've lost our compressor units to our coolers. We had several vehicles, tractor trailers that were damaged, our roof, the roof to our storage building. We've lost all of our food, all of the stuff that's in the freezers and refrigerators.
Everything around it here is really bad. The trailer park up the street had fatalities. So, I mean, we don't have nothing compared to anything like that. I still have a home. They don't.